Hi, excuse me, can you help me? Of course. What do you need? I'm looking for milk. Where can I find it? The milk is in aisle 3, near the back of the store. Thank you. Also, do you have fresh bread? Yes, we do. The bread is in aisle 2, on the left side. Great. Is it fresh today? Yes, it was delivered this morning. That's good. I also need some fruits. What kind of fruits are you looking for? Apples and bananas. You can find them in the produce section, near the entrance. Okay, thank you. Are the apples sweet? Yes, they are very sweet and fresh. Perfect. How much are the apples? They are $2 per kilo. That sounds good. And what about bananas? Bananas are $1.50 per kilo. That's affordable. I will take both. Great choice. Do you also sell eggs? Yes, eggs are in aisle 4. How many eggs are in one box? There are 12 eggs in one box. Okay, I will take one box. Anything else you need? No, I think that's all. All right, you can go to the cashier to pay. Thank you so much for your help. You're welcome. Have a nice day. You too.